Influencers pour back in and start telling you to buy again at the worst possible times. But that's not what I'm here to do. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you key signals right now that most people aren't paying attention to that can open up ridiculous money-making opportunities, a huge institutional shift in interest, which we can follow with our investments, as well as some specific cryptocurrencies that have that 10, 50 to 100x upside on our risk on investments. And if this is all done right, based on the models I'm going to share with you, you'll see how you can start with $1,000 and amass up to $5 million portfolio size. And I promise you, this is not clickbait. And if you stay to the end, you're going to completely understand how. The interesting part is that if we look at this from a logarithmic perspective, which is a way of visualizing big data sets, this is exactly what that same exact position looks like. It doesn't look so weird anymore. So now I'm going to look at a monthly chart of Bitcoin. This is where we are in the growth chart. This is where a lot of people, a lot of news headlines say that Bitcoin is in a bubble or overvalued, whereas money is about to be completely digital and programmable the way that the internet developed from the 60s to where we are now. This is the opportunity that we have right now with cryptocurrency, if not a potentially bigger opportunity, because if we take this same exact chart, turn this to a logarithmic view like we did last time, once again, it starts to look extremely normal. And if we look at how Bitcoin tends to move, during its low periods, it tends to move inside this green band, and during its high periods, it tends to trade into this red section. Right now, if we look at where we are in Bitcoin, we just barely teetered into that red section, and never in history before has a 4-year cryptocurrency cycle ended not trading into that red band, and also without touching this red price, which is something called terminal value. Okay, so you'll notice terminal value has been hit every time we've had a cycle high in Bitcoin.